Hi, I'm Brittany, and I'm really excited to show you these two vanity mirrors, the Fanchillin and the Fabude makeup mirror with lights. The Fanchillin mirror, as you can see, has a big range of how much it can tilt. It can go all the way around 360, and the Fabude mirror can tilt up and down, but it definitely has a limit to its range of motion. The Fanchillin big mirror has lights that actually protrude out of it, which allow it to have a really big brightness. It is attached to a cord, so there is no limit to its power, but that does limit where it goes with you, also because of its size and its weight. But it really has so many great options as far as its tone. You can change the brightness from extremely dim to the opposite, extremely bright. The Fabude mirror is great because you can travel with it. You can set it up if you're doing a photo shoot or you're on the go and you want to be able to touch up your makeup. It is really nice to have that option where you can have a good size mirror with lights, and when you're done with everything, it can easily go into your bag. The Fanchillin is good for your everyday vanity needs, and the Fabude is great when you're on the go or traveling. So you definitely should check these mirrors out if you're wanting to look good.